April 8th, 2024. Across North America, the sun vanished. But as the moon moved in, something even stranger happened. Nature went silent. Scientists are calling it the mute button effect. Using AI-powered sensors called haiku boxes, researchers tracked the voices of thousands of birds across the continent. The data was clear. The moment the sun reached 99% coverage, the birds simply stopped. No more territorial calls, no more songs for mates, just an eerie midday midnight. But as the light returned, the birds were fooled once more. They burst into what scientists call a false dawn chorus. To their biological clocks, it was as if a new day had started, just minutes after the last one ended. It's proof that for birds, light isn't just a guide, it is their master. Nature's rhythms are more fragile than we thought. Subscribe to Chronicles for more wild encounters.